Hi, I am Sanjay Kothari and you are watching Valuepersqft, a platform which consult you on a real estate investment and buying. Today we are reviewing Brigade Insignia, which is located on Hebbal to Bellary main road. To be very precise, it's on a Yelahanka. Now let's understand before jumping into the project. Let's understand what exactly is happening in this location. Why someone should consider this locality. We have a lot more questions. What we have received from the buyer, the location is really expensive. Hebbal has a lot of traffic. So let me answer one by one each of your questions. When it comes to traffic and traffic congestion in Hebbal flyover, government has taken certain initiative. PDA has proposed two dedicated lanes to ease out the traffic congestion what you see in Hebbal coming from the Jakkur to the Hebbal. Once these two dedicated lines are ready, traffic congestion less by another 15%. Not only that, there is a construction of 18-kilometer tunnel from Bangalore south to the Bangalore north, and which has a completion time of approximately by December 2025. Let's understand it's completed by 27 even. Then also you'll have better connectivity traveling toward the south part of the Bangalore by the road. If you are looking at metro connectivity in this location, then good news for you. You can see our video is actual footage of metro construction. Government is keeping a timeline of December 2026 for the completion of metro. Now let's understand if you go to December 2027 even, metro running which has great connectivity toward the outer ring road and rest of the part of the Bangalore. Considering all the 3 points where you have construction of Jakkur to Hebbal to dedicated lane, tunnel construction from Silk Board to the Hebbal, and metro connectivity will ease out at least of 15 to 20% of traffic what you see as on today. Yes, it's a long-term process for sure. It's going to take at least over 2 to 3 years down the line for you. When we talk about the tech park spaces, Whitefield, Electronic City or Outer Ring Road used to dominate in IT tech parks. But now the things are changing. When we are talking about the north part of the Bangalore, we always used to discuss only Manyata tech space. Now what happening in this locality, you have 15 new tech park spaces are coming from Nagwara to Hebbal Bellary stretch of yours. If I include all the new tech parks in this locality apart from Hebbal Bellary, I would say if you include Devnahalli, KIDB or Yashwantpur, you have at least of 25 to 30 new tech parks are coming in this locality, and they all are getting completed by 25 to 26. Now a lot of tech spaces are looking for better infrastructure, and considering the fact what you see as on today, you have airport connectivity, you have a metro connectivity, you have a by road connectivity. North part of the Bangalore will develop really well. Let me name the few of the tech parks which are coming on this location, which will give you a little bit of understanding. And few of the tech parks in this location is already been completed, and few will be operational by 25 and 26 itself. A lot of companies are moving in this location. Companies like a Philip Innovation Center, completely they are moving on this location. Amazon is completely relocating from World Trade Center to Yelahanka, and where exactly they are coming in Satwa Horizon. So a lot of movement is happening in this location. A lot of tech spaces are coming because of the good infrastructure what going to be there in the coming future. You have a proper wide roads, you have a service roads, flyovers are there, metro connectivity you have. So by air you want to go, by metro you want to go, or by road you want to go, you have all the connectivity at this location. You have almost 15 to 20 new tech parks are coming from Nagwara to Hebbal Bellary stretch. Bagmani Saira Business District is coming at Yelahanka at 10.5 acre of land space. Purankara Aerocity Business Park is coming, which is 7 acre right now, and you will see the expansion happening in the coming future. Sanctuary Business Park is coming. Karli Town Center, which will be coming in a 5 acre of land. Prestige Tech Cloud is there. Embassy Manyata Park expansion is going to happen. L&T Tech Park going to be fully operational. Prestige Sanctuary Landmark in Hebbal. Satwa Knowledge Point, Satwa Horizon. Northgate Phase 2 is coming. Northgate Phase 1 where we have 5 million square feet of a space by Infosys. Phoenix Asia Towers are coming. These are the few tech park spaces name what I am able to recall. If you need more details on the tech park spaces, we can share our details to you. One question which I'm going to answer to you, I feel Brigade Insignia is overpriced. Somebody asked me. I would say no, it's not overpriced. Land cost at the main road of Hebbal Bellary Road is really expensive. That is the sole reason you do not see any of the projects which is lesser than 14,000 on the main road. Yes, you may get a project at 12,000 rupees per square foot if you are going 2 kilometers inside. So the land cost is really really expensive. Any property which offering you a main road connectivity, metro connectivity, obviously it's going to come with a cost for sure. Hebbal Ballari Road is shaping up as a post locality which is dominated by my IT product based companies, and that's the sole reason if you see all the high rise development in this locality. And cost of acquisition for any of the properties which I'm gonna name to you is nothing lesser than 3.5 CR onward for the size of 2000 square feet and more. This location give you a premium feeling because of all the high rise development, no unplanned development next to you. Let me tell you few of the properties which are already there in this locality so that you get little bit understanding why pricing is 14,000 onward in this location. Properties like Embassy Lake Terraces, SNN Claremont, Godrej Platinum, Carle Zenith, Brigade Caladium, Sanctuary Ethos, L&T Raintree Boulevard. All these properties, if you see that, are the main road properties, and cost of acquisition today is nothing lesser than 14,000 onward and goes to 21,000 rupees per square feet. So we need to understand, if you are looking a product on the main road of Hebbal and Ballari as a stretch, the cost of acquisition is higher for the developer. And when you are going with a good brand do take care, quality of construction, offer you great product for sure, and that comes with a cost. Now coming to the Brigade Insignia as a location, the project offer you great connectivity toward the airport. It's hardly 700 meter away from metro station. It's connected to the main road, but not on the main road because it's 200 meter inside, so that you are away from the hustle bustle of the main road also. It's a really premium and exclusive community where the sizes starting with anywhere between 2200 square feet goes to approximately around 6800 square feet of a penthouse you have. Let me take you to the model apartment and a scale model at the project location so that you have much more practical experience. Please come. Let's check out the Brigade Insignia Model Apartment and a scale model. It's a 3066 square feet, a 4-bedroom. Let's check. Please come. You have really spacious living and dining over here. Your viewing angle to the TV, to the sofa set, you have a space approximately a width of 14 feet. Wow, I just love the balcony. It's so spacious. 22 feet as a length you have and 6 feet of a width. And not only that, you have a planter box even. If you love gardening and you need a space for yourself, you have a small space at the planter box here. Full design of master bedroom. You have a walk-in wardrobe separately, and you see the space. If I place the sofas, a place to my tables, still I have lot of space here. The range of investment varying in this product, if you see, 3 crore 20 and goes almost 9.5 crore. Sizes starting here is approximately around 2200 square feet and it goes almost 6000 square feet. If you are considering bigger spacious apartment for yourself, like 3 BHK large, 4 BHK or 5 BHK duplex apartment, this is a project you should consider. When it comes to usable space inside our apartment, in this project you are getting almost 74% of a usable space. If you compare nearby projects in this locality, it will be the highest usable space. Having a property on the main road, density of the project is more. When I say density, the number of families in the project is more. In this case, if you see, you have almost 5.85 acre as a land area where you have just 344 families. One more thing I really appreciate when I compared the projects which are in this location with a good reputed brands, usable space what offered by the developer is almost 74%. And when I say usable space, don't get confused with a carpet space. It's a space inside the house including your balcony space. Coming to the conclusion, should I buy this property? It's totally depend on your goals and objective and your financials. But if you ask me, I would say you should consider this property in your list for sure. Reason is just not about the product, it's the location. You are not buying just a project over here. You are buying the entire location, I would say. This location, if you see, is dominated by all high-rise development. The entire stretch here, Hebbal to Ballari, is developing in very planned way. If you are considering a good social infrastructure in and around of the project, then this project offer you. I would say you can definitely consider this project, but if you have still lot more doubts and you're contemplating this project with other projects, do get in touch with us. We'll able to guide you better. If you like this video, please share, subscribe, and if you have any suggestion, please write down in the comments.